Kicking off sports tonight, Jordan Spieth in the third round of the Arnold Palmer Invitational in Orlando. Spieth uses a 5-iron on the 220-yard par 3 hole. The ball bounces a few times and rolls straight into the cup for the hole-in-one. This one is considered one of the toughest holes on the PGA Tour. It wasn't enough to win the $9.3 million purse, but it's still fun to watch. Welcome to WVUA 23 Sports. I'm Ryan Carter. Tuscaloosa is excited about following Alabama men's basketball into the SEC tournament this week. They closed out the regular season Saturday against Georgia in Athens. Let's take a look at how three-pointers made the difference in the game. Georgia jumped out to an early lead, but in the second half, it was all Alabama. Javon Quinterly makes the layup, and then Georgia's Severe Wheeler makes a similar move. Then Keon Ellis and the rest of the Bama squad were on fire with 8 three-pointers to help the team score 59 points in the second half. Alabama takes home the 89-79 win. With the victory, the Tide finishes with a record of 21-6 overall and 16-2 in SEC play. The record matches the 1986 squad for the most victories in league play in school history. Number 1 seed Alabama plays its first SEC tournament game Friday in Nashville at 11 a.m. Central on ESPN. Fans are still calming down from the Houston-Memphis game. The teams were tied 64-all with 2 seconds left in the game. Houston's Marcus Sasser inbounds the ball to teammate Tremont Mark. He goes for the long buzzer beater and gets it. Houston wins and the players run to celebrate, and that was a fun one to watch and one the team will never forget anytime soon. Now in Chicago, everyone is ready for some baseball, and there's good news. White Sox and Cubs fans will be allowed back in the stands at a 20% limited capacity. Wrigley Field and Guaranteed Rate Field will still require fans, face coverings, and 6 feet of separation. The rules for ballparks is part of the state's plan to make a move back to normalcy following the pandemic. Opening day for the Cubs is April 1st and April 8th for the White Sox. We may never know who bought it, but someone paid nearly $1.8 million for a rookie card of the late Kobe Bryant. The Golden online auction house says that that's a record-setting amount for any Bryant card. The card is a chrome reflectors edition sold between 1996 and 1997. The card was said to be in great condition, which honored the 18-time NBA All-Star. He died last year with his daughter and 7 others in a helicopter crash. And another rookie card featuring Tom Brady sold for more than $1.3 million. This makes it the costliest trading card in the history of football. It's one of 100 of its kind in the world. It's an autographed 2000 Playoff Contenders Championship ticket card. Fitbit CEO and co-founder James Park bought the card, saying he lived in Boston for a decade and is a huge Brady fan. In January, another of Brady's rookie cards was auctioned on eBay for more than $500,000. It must be nice to have that kind of money. Maybe one day I can do the same thing. That's all for sports.